Alright, hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, back out at my hunting property. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving, had a great Christmas and holiday season, and Happy New Year to everybody out there. Welcome to 2025, I can't believe it. So, as part of that, starting out the new year, I want to start it out right. So, over the last couple of years, I've been able to grow the channel to the point now where we have hit 548 subscribers at the time that I'm making this video. So I hope it grows a few more people, obviously, before this video posts, but we're going to see what happens. But I did a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers, and Chris from Barnyard Outdoors won my tumbler, and I'll throw up a picture of what I gave away then. It's those polar nice tumblers with my logo on it. So congratulations to Chris who won that when I was at 100 subscribers. Well, now we're at over 500, so I'm going to give away something else. So here's what you need to do. So if you're watching this video, please go ahead, hit like and subscribe. Please add a comment, okay? I will, when I post this video, I think I'm going to post this video, it should be Sunday, January 12th at noon is when I'm going to post the video. I will give everybody a week to watch it, like and subscribe, and add a comment. And then the following Sunday, so that would be, let's see, if I drop this on the 12th and the 19th, so January 19th, on that day, I will pull up this video, I will look at, and if you have publicly subscribed and you've made a comment, I will randomly pick somebody from that list using one of those apps that they have out there, and the winner that I select will get this 40-ounce clean canteen single wall stainless steel bottle. So this is what the giveaway is going to be. So for celebrating 500 plus subscribers, again, if you're watching this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, add a comment, and again, I will randomly pick somebody from that list, and I will send you this 40-ounce clean canteen, brand new 40-ounce clean canteen bottle set with one of my stickers for my logo for NC Piedmont Outdoors. So that's what you'll win. So thanks everybody for watching. Thank you all for the views and the comments. I really appreciate it. Thanks for help growing the channel. I'd love to at some point hit 1,000 and be monetized. That would be great. It's a goal. We're not there yet, but with your help, hopefully we can. But I really appreciate everybody up until this point who's been supportive of me. Again, watched, liked, subscribed to the channel. So appreciate that. And again, like, subscribe, comment, and I will pick somebody on January 19th. So I'll drop the video on the 12th, and which is today. The video's dropping today, which is the 12th, and then next Sunday the 19th, I'll see all the people who commented, if they liked and subscribed, and I will go ahead and randomly pick one of those people, and I will send this to you along with a sticker of my NC Piedmont Outdoors logo. So thanks everybody for watching. Hope everybody has a great 2025. Look forward to making a lot more videos. Got a lot of plans for 2025. And thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon. Take care.